Meet the extreme microbes, Earth's hidden champions of survival. These tiny organisms thrive in boiling hot spring. They can endure freezing temperatures in Antarctica. Some survive intense radiation in nuclear reactors. Others live deep in the Earth's crust, miles below the surface. They even survive in the harsh vacuum of space. Extreme microbes can metabolize substances toxic to most life. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem, recycling nutrients. Scientists study them for insights into life beyond Earth. These resilient survivors inspire biotechnological advancements.